Hi, this is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com tutorial on what is a carrier. Now, the word carrier can have a variety of meanings, not only in technology but in other fields. For example, a mosquito is a carrier of yellow fever. But in technology, a carrier is referring to the signal. As we see here, a modem's carrier is a rather simple signal, predefined frequency, and it transmits it constantly over the phone during a connection. The carrier comes from the modem. For those of you who have not seen a modem this size. And for those of you who haven't heard a carrier, I'm going to let you hear one and then explain it. Now what you heard there is the modem on my side sending out a carrier, reaching the modem on the receiving side, which responds and puts out a carrier of its own. The two carriers would create and have what is called a handshake. And when you hear the little ding, 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 that's the two carriers negotiating, and when they connect, the sound disappears. So a carrier is a means for transmitting data via a modem from one place to another. And that's all there is to it. Hey, this is Doc. If you're looking for a cheap and easy way to put your own content on the web, go get domain names from hover.com. Just visit hover.com/butterscotch and you'll get 10% off and support shows like these. Thanks.